Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As you can see, the gold, a lot of volatility currently today. We are looking at here, and of course we start to see a little bit the shape of this ending here is a little bit, of course, very volatile, and it looking like, of course, diagonal, but I don't still see like a very clear price action. I see that the market is still trying to decide to have a decision here whether we continue toward the upside or not, and whether we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and you got an ABC correction here potentially, and you start to move toward the upside. However, the market is still a little bit hesitating here. I'm not sure if this is a 1, 2, but yeah, I see invalidation there. Let me check on the micro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, a lot of volatility, guys. It looks like we're having a little bit confusion in the market. Not forget that Nasdaq and the stocks are also moving very high. So I believe the gold right now is trying to find kind of like a decision whether it's gonna move for higher or for lower. So the market is a little bit hesitated. You know, when the stocks moves high, the gold moves down most often, and it might be the case scenario that the stocks right now are moving higher, so the market is confused what we should do. Should we sell, should we buy? And therefore, of course, you see this kind of like sideways range here after this diagonal. We still see a sideways range, and of course we're still looking for a signal. But basically, what does that mean right now as per Elliott wave? Well, this is a correction, and the trend is still towards the upside, and this is a correction. And even if we dive a little bit deeper, it might still be a corrective wave, A, B, and a C. By the way, the wave C can finish as ending diagonal inside this blue box. So you have two possibilities right now: whether we continue toward the upside, whether we are in A, B, C. And from this point, we might start to move toward the upside again. I cannot call it A, B, C, D, and E because the wave C has took the low invalidation already given for triangle. Therefore, the only possible scenario here to end with an ending diagonal for a wave 1, probably, if the market is still gonna be confused to see what it might happen until we close the week, right? I mean, it is Friday, and yeah, the week is gonna close, so maybe on a Monday we might of course see some continuation for higher prices, because at the end I still see correction here. Nothing is impulsive towards the downside. You have 3 ways down, and that is a confirmation already that we are corrective. I think the gold price now is depending on the Nasdaq price, what the Nasdaq is going to decide to do. If it's gonna retrace from this 1-to-1 fib level, moving down after a simple zigzag, finishing at W, X, and a Y, and then dropping down again because you're still in a big A, B, and a C here. And therefore, of course, might the gold take a decision again for higher, to move for higher. Once we get this decision from Nasdaq, we might see more confidence as well coming back into this chart, because currently it should have a move toward the upside, but this is hesitation. Exactly, psychologically this is hesitation. We should have seen a wave 1, 2 here. It might be still unfolding, but the wave 1, 2 here is a little bit, of course, confused already. So we're gonna see, guys, we might range a little bit, and maybe on Monday it might continue toward the upside. We're gonna see. So that was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.